In the name of Allah, the most merciful, the most gracious. Assalamu alaikum, dear student. I'm Sir Fazal. I warmly welcome you to today's English class. I hope you are all fine and ready to learn. And today's session we are going to discuss an important grammar topic about transitive and intransitive verb. I hope that you will learn not only grammar rule from today's lesson, but that will also help you to improve your English language skill. So please stay focused, take notes, and participate actively. So we come to the topic transitive and intransitive verbs. So verbs in English can be transitive or intransitive. So what does it mean? Here we have a few examples. Intransitive. The word bold is a verb. यानी जो लफ्ज यहाँ पे आपको बिल्कुल ब्लैक कलर में आता है ना ये verb है ठीक है So the first sentence I laughed. He's sleeping. The book fell off the table. An error message appeared on the screen. She arrived in the morning. In all these examples, the verb used is called intransitive verb because there is no direct object after the verb. यानी वो वर्ब जो अपनी मीनिंग को मतलब पूरा करने के लिए उसको एक ऑब्जेक्ट की जरूरत होती है और ऑब्जेक्ट हमेशा नाउन या प्रोनाउन होता है वो वर्ब ट्रांजिटिव वर्ब होता है लेकिन जो वर्ब बगैर ऑब्जेक्ट के अपना मतलब कंप्लीट करता है उसको किसी ऑब्जेक्ट की जरूरत नहीं होती वो इंट्रांजिटिव वर्ब होता है So in the second you see transitive verbs I told a joke so here you see told is a verb and after the told the word joke that is underlined is the object of the verb told. So as it takes an object to complete its meaning, that's why the verb is transitive verb. He's fixing the car. I dropped the book on the floor. I restarted my computer. She gave me a birthday present. In all these sentences, the verb told, fixing, drop, restarted, gave all takes an object. Either it's a noun or a pronoun. For example, Joe is a noun, the car, the book, my computer noun, me is a pronoun. So now let's come to the difference between the transitive and intransitive verb. The difference is that transitive verb have an object, a person or thing that receive an action. Transitive verb वो होता है जिसको एक ऑब्जेक्ट की जरूरत होती है और ऑब्जेक्ट हमेशा एक पर्सन प्लेस या थिंग यानी नाउन या प्रोनाउन होता है जो उस वर्ब का एक्शन रिसीव करता है The action is done to it या जिस पे एक्शन वाक़ हो जाता है intransitive verb do not इसमें नहीं होता intransitive verb involve the subject only he is sleeping so he is the subject sleeping is intransitive verb while here he is fixing the car he is the subject fixing is the transitive verb and the car is the object Some transitive verb has two objects. यानी बास transitive verb जो है उसके बाद दो object आते हैं. A direct object वो object होता है the action is done to it. जिसपे एक्शन वाक़या हो जाता है। एन इनडायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट, ये वो ऑब्जेक्ट होता है जो एक्शन को रिसीव करता है। मसलन यहाँ पे हम देखते हैं, शी गेव मी अ बर्थडे प्रेजेंट। She is a subject, give a transitive verb, and it has two objects here, a birthday and present and me. So here you see me. Me is the indirect object because it receives the action. The action is done on the me. And birthday is the object for which action is done. Yeah, in another way, here if you make two questions, one question, she gave me a birthday present. Okay, to whom the birthday present is given? Me. So the answer to who or whom is direct object. And what is given? It's indirect object. So here, whom is given who was given the gift? The present me is indirect object, and what was given to me, birthday present, so it's a direct object. We will study this structure later in the lesson. So what can follow transitive or intransitive? Transitive are followed by a noun, pronoun, or possessive. For example, he keeps the dog in a cage. So here it keeps is transitive verb because it takes the object, that is the noun dog. He has a dog. He keeps it in a cage. So here keeps is a transitive verb and it need an object to complete its set, and here the object is the pronoun it. Here you see, I'm looking for a new bicycle. Where did you buy yours? So, where did you buy yours? So, buy is a transitive verb because it needs a possessive pronoun to complete its sense. Okay. While intransitive verbs can be followed by nothing or by prepositional phrase or adverb, यानी intransitive pronoun जो है इसके बाद या तो कुछ भी नहीं आता, इसके बाद या तो preposition फ्रेज आता है और या कोई एडवर्ब या एडजेक्टिव आता है. मसलन शी क्राइड. अब क्राइड, देयर इज नथिंग आफ्टर द क्राइड, सो क्राइड इज intransitive verb. She cried on my shoulder. So on is a preposition, so it's intransitive. She cried nicely. So nicely is adverb. So according to the rule, F a verb takes an adverb, so it's intransitive verb. I agree. Nothing after the verb agree. I agree with you. It's a prepositional phrase, and I agree completely. There are other examples here. So here, if you say we bought what? The sense is incomplete. अगर हम कहते हैं हमने खरीदा, तो क्या खरीदा? तो जब तक आप ऑब्जेक्ट को नहीं यूज करते जो एक्शन पार्ट के एक्शन को रिसीव करता है, तो उस वक्त तक इसका सेंस इनकम्प्लीट है. तो ऐसे वर्ब जो ऑब्जेक्ट के बगैर मीनिंग उसके इनकम्प्लीट है वो ट्रांजिटिव वर्ब कहलाता है. वी बॉट अ कार. दे आर टेकिंग वर्ब. दे आर टेकिंग अ ट्रिप. सो टेकिंग इज अ ट्रांजिटिव वर्ब. I have the documents. Tomorrow I will send. Send what? Tomorrow I will send them. So them is the pronoun. That's a nice sweater. I like what? I like it. Okay, dear students, hope you have understood the topic well. Remember that practice is the key to success in English. So watch the video again and again. You will continue learning again and again. Okay, continue your learning with confidence. Thank you for watching and participating. Goodbye. See you in the next class.